have here is a work order. It has 4 tasks assigned to it, and this in the scheduling tool. Pretty simple layout, no great biggie. Now, when we look at the work view, I'm just going to refresh this. When we look at the top view, we can see that all the tasks and the work order itself are all scheduled as originally way back in October. But it's saying that the assignment is scheduled for today and the current time. So let's just go explore what's happening there. Okay, so let's go look here. We've only got target start, target finish, and 0 duration. Consequently, on the plan side of things, we've got a craft. It's not assigned to any task, and therefore we have a single assignment. And you'll note it's got the scheduled start date of the actual work order at this point and 0 hours. In this particular scenario, what we want to do is in the work view of the assignment is to change the schedule start and finish. So we want to move that to specific day. Let's make it the 21st. And you can see they're all the 21st. I'll just save that. Okay, don't worry about that. So this is a graphical assignment. So I've decided when I looked at this that I want to move it, and some bad stuff has happened, which will require. Okay, so let's pretend that I want to fix this and actually bring it back to the 22nd. Save that. 21st, sorry. Okay, so you'll note that the end date is fixed, but not the start date. All right, so let's go fix the start date. Now, you'll note that this is actually getting progressively worse, and the date hasn't moved. At the moment in the assignment view, this is stretching from the 17th to the next year, and that's bad. So let's go to the work order, check what's happened here. Okay, so we can see from the 17th to the 24th for 3,000 hours. So let's just change it to measly 4 hours. Okay, now you note the schedule. Start date hasn't updated. That's potentially a problem. And then again, if we look at the plans, or look at the assignment, it's got far too many hours. So let's just reduce that to 4. Okay, return to graphical assignment. Refresh. It's a bit tidier now, but not perfect. What I'm going to try and do is to schedule the work order so that the whole thing happens on the 21st. Okay, let's try this reschedule and unassign. Let's move that to the 21st, and I want to start this at 9 in the morning. Okay. So what's actually happened at the moment is we can see the assignment is saying the 21st. The end date of the work order is the 21st, but not the start is not moved. Okay, I've saved that. Note the end date is now missing. And I can't edit the time. So there's lots and lots of annoying things that's happening here. All because of these tasks. And that's where our base problem stems, because you can see task 20, 30, and 40, they're still stuck here. 0 time frame, which is not unusual. For good practice, you should always have a duration. Always. Because that will feed into the assignment. What can we do about this? Well, take a look at this. If I go to work order tracking, go down to the scheduling information and turn off include tasks in schedule. Okay, just one simple tick box. Watch the tasks when I refresh. 2 things have happened. The most particular thing is that the work order duration time frame is now reset. Okay, let's just put in the 21st in here. Okay, I'm just going to manually override that to 1 o'clock. And you'll note it behaves quite nicely there. And I've just saved. That has done exactly what we want. If I then go and move it to the next day, it has moved it correctly. Now, let's go to the work order again, and let's just verify what's happened. Okay, targets left alone, 22nd is perfect. Let's go look at the assignment. Okay, 4 hours I want. Right, starting on the 22nd. But look at the tasks here. We didn't see this before, but when I open up the tasks, they are work orders in themselves. And we can now suddenly see these dates are playing nicely. Still 0 duration, but they're playing nicely. Okay. Let's go to the schedule. The same thing. And see the same consequence. Right, so here we have a bunch of work orders, as we said. I'm just going to refresh first. And you'll suddenly see only the work orders present. Right. Now, you'll see that the time frame is all messed up, so I'm just going to discard and refresh. When in doubt. Now we've got the correct set of information. 4 hours based on the assignment. So in this case, if we schedule the work order first correctly, we most likely won't have a problem at the assignment stage. But if you then change the assignment date, you want it to reflect back in the schedule tool here to say, okay, these are the dates now you're looking at. And that simple change makes a world of difference. And this is without this being enabled. Because that will get, if it's a hierarchy of work orders, that gets only the one that does not, that is a parent only, the top level parent. On an ongoing basis, if you've got job plans, the resolve for that is on a job plan. Here is the flag. Where's the flag? Flag. It's over here. include task and schedule. The only time you ever want to go and choose include tasks and schedule is literally when you are scheduling down to the task level. If you're not doing that, no use having it. And that will resolve most of your issues. That is at least one scenario that I've presented to you in order to resolve the issue that Maximo Scheduler wants to constrain you to the dates that you have told it to constrain it to. Good luck with scheduling.